Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14b question number 1. Okay, x plus 3 into x plus 3 into y. This you have to factorize. How? So again we have to take the common factors only, and the common factor this time will not be a single term. Previously we took a single term as a common factor in the last exercise, right? Always when you took out common terms, it used to be a number or a variable or a constant variable combined. But here you will take out two terms. See, this and this is common, x plus 3, right? In the first part, basically you have to do the grouping. If this and this is same, so one group you will make as x plus 3, another group you will make as x plus y, right? That's what it is. Okay, because x plus 3 was common, so we have taken that here, and x plus y on the other side. Just see it this way, you have to group them. If the two brackets are same here, then you will make the one group and the other two will be grouped in another. See, now you have in the second part a plus 1 into x plus a plus 1 into y. So a plus 1 common, you can write it here, a plus 1, and what are you left with here? X, and here you are left with y, x plus y. Part 3, a into m plus n plus b into m plus n. So again m and n is common, so m plus n is common, so you will take that here, m plus n, and you are left with here you have a, and the other place you have b. Then you have what? 2x minus a whole square plus 4m into x minus a. Now what you will take common over here? See, first of all, here 4 and 2, you can take as common. Okay, from here you will take 2, here you will take 2 common, so one side you will have 1 and on the other term you will be left with 2. Okay, now see, you will take 2x minus a as common. Okay, sorry, not this way. Keep the 2 outside the bracket, right? So like this, 2 into x minus a. Okay, this is common. Why am I not taking x minus a whole square? Because again x minus a to power 1, x minus a square. See, 1 and square, so we will take the one with the lower power. So 2 is already there and x minus a here. Now here you are left with what? 2 is gone, x minus a square. So again only one x minus a we have taken, so you are still left with x minus a here. And then over here what are you left with? X minus a is gone, and here 2m, so sorry 4m. So from 4m you subtract this, you divide by 2, so you are left with what? 2m. Okay, so plus 2m, that becomes the answer, right? Now the fifth part here, let's see what is there in the fifth part. Okay, so this is what, so in the fifth one you have a into a plus b and minus b into b plus a. So I will write the question. See, you have a into a plus b and minus b, so a plus b and b plus a. Is it the same thing? Yes, you have studied this property, right? If you have a plus b, you can change it like this also. This is the property of addition, right? The order can be changed, they can be written in any order and answer will still be the same. That means a plus b and b plus a are same or not? Yes. So what I will take common as a plus b. Okay, so here a plus b is gone, what is left? A. So open the second bracket, put here a, here a b plus a or a plus b, same thing you can say. It is also gone, so what is left? Minus b. So write down minus b. Be careful with the signs. Okay, so this is your answer, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now see what you have here. You have in part 6 as p plus q whole square plus, right, 3 into p plus q. That is what you have here. Now again p plus q you can take as common, because this is p plus q square, p plus q to power 1, right? So p plus q you take common here, and here what is left? P plus q whole square, p plus q is gone, so you are left with 1 p plus q. Okay, and plus now here 3 into p plus q, so p plus q is gone. Okay, p plus q we have taken as common, so what are we left with? 3. So that is your answer. Now let's move on to the next one. Right, now you have the seventh part of this question. x plus y whole square plus x plus y. So you again have to take common. Always remember that in both the terms something or the other will be in common, and here you can see what is common. X plus y is common. See, x plus y whole square is there, x plus y to power 1. When no power is written, it means power is of 1. Okay, so what is the thing? X plus y whole square and x plus y to power 1 is there. So you will have what? You will take x plus y as common here, and here you will have here x plus y square is gone because we are only taking the number with the lower power. So x plus y square, x plus y is gone, you are left with x plus y. Okay, only power 1 is left, so simply this. And then here x plus y, it's completely gone. So if you divide this, basically you are left with 1. Okay, because you divide this by x plus y, you are cancelling it, so that's 1 only. Then part 8, 21 into 4p minus 5q whole cube plus 14 into 4p minus 5q whole square. Same thing here also. Now here we will take common as an entire term also and a constant also. See, basically you will take the numbers, these variables inside the bracket also and the variables outside the bracket also. 21 and 14 here I have, so I will take 7 common in 21 and 14. Their highest common factor is 7, right? 7 will cancel 14 2 times, 7 will cancel 21 3 times, so I will take 7 common first thing. And here in the variable parts you can see 4p minus 5q, 4p minus 5q, it is being repeated, so there is something we have to take common from here also. See, here it is 4p minus 5q whole cube, and here it is 4p minus 5q whole square. So we will always choose the number with the lower power, choose the part of that term with the lower power. So 3 and 2, which is lower? 2. So we will take 4p minus 5q whole square. Now within brackets we will write down whatever is left. What is left here? 7. Okay, sorry, not 7, 3. 21 you divide by 7, you are left with 3. 4p minus 5q whole cube. So again 3 minus 2 you should do, because square we have already taken out as common. So 3 into 4p minus 5q, and here this is gone completely. Okay, 14 upon 7, that is plus 2. So open the brackets and see what are you left with. 7 into 4p minus 5q square into 3 into 4p, that is 12p, minus 3 into 5, 15. Now see here what do we have? This becomes our final answer, right? Now ninth part here, right? You have a into x minus y minus b into x minus y whole square. Again see what can you take common here. Outside the bracket nothing we can take common, a here and b here, so nothing that is there to take common. X minus y and x minus y whole square we can take common here. No power is there, you can consider this as 1. Now 2 and 1, always choose that part of that term with the lower power, lower exponent, right? 2 and 1, which is smaller, the smaller exponent, that is 1. So you will take here also x minus 1 only, sorry, x minus y only as your common, right? No power on the top. And then what is left here? See, x minus y is gone, so a is left. So in the next bracket first term will be a, and here see x minus y whole square is there. Out of that x minus y has gone, so we are left with x minus y only. And what else is also left is minus b. So you will write this as minus b into x minus y. Okay, that way. Now solve this. X minus y into a minus b into x minus bx minus b into minus y plus by. Clear? That is your answer for the question. And part 10 now, final one, right? See what do you have here? A into x plus y plus z plus b into x plus y plus z plus c into x plus y plus z. So there is basically one thing only that is there to take common in this: x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. It is coming in all the three terms, so you will take that common here. X plus y plus z, you write that. Next bracket, x plus y plus z gone, what is left? A, so a. X plus y plus z gone, what is left? B, so plus b. X plus y plus z gone, what is left? C, so plus c. That is your answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now you have in the 11th part a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So you will see here what is common. A plus b is common, right, in both the terms. One is a plus b whole cube, another is a plus b, simple. Okay, so you will choose always the one with the lower exponent, so you will choose this one, the smaller exponent, a plus b as your common term, right? So you will have what, see, a plus b whole cube here and minus 3ab and into a plus b. What will be left here? If a plus b whole cube is there and you are taking out a plus b, you are left with a plus b whole square or not? Yes, this is what you are left with. Okay, a plus b whole square, because 3 is there, 3 is the power, and when you are taking out 1 from it, you do 3 minus 1. Okay, so you have a plus b whole square left here. Now come to the next term, minus 3ab into a plus b to power 1. So a plus b to power 1, a plus b to power 1, simple thing, you can say we are taking common, so it will cancel out. What will be left? 1. So that will not have any effect, because 1 is multiplying with minus 3ab, which will not change the value. So minus 3ab will be left or not? Yes. So minus 3ab. Now open the bracket and solve it accordingly. You know the identity of a plus b whole square, which is what we have studied in the previous chapter, identities, right? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And then minus 3ab here. Now you can again finally solve this. You will have a plus b, a square, 2ab minus 3ab means minus ab plus b square, which is your answer. Now in the 12th part, let's see what you've got. So you have a into a minus 2c plus b into a minus 2c plus 2c minus a. Now this thing, can you see anything common here? Yes, a minus 2c, a minus 2c, but no, here we are getting stuck, because 2c minus a is not a minus 2c. Okay, in subtraction, if you see, you have studied that addition is basically you can change the order, right? But in subtraction, if you do this, a minus b, and then you change the order, you do this, b minus a, this is not correct, this is not equal, value will come different. So can I write 2c minus a as a minus 2c? No, so don't do that, that is a mistake. But what can you do now? Think of anything else. See, look at the signs of the numbers. A minus 2c, a minus 2c is coming in two terms, and if I make the third term also as a minus 2c, I can take it common and get my answer. So how you will do that? A minus 2c, a minus 2c is here in both the terms. So a is positive and 2c is negative. That is very clearly visible. A is positive and 2c is negative. Now come to this bracket, 2c minus a. So a is negative and 2c is positive, just the opposite. What can I do now? See, a into a minus 2c plus b into a minus 2c. This part of the question will be as it is, we are not touching this. But here what can I do? If I make a positive and 2c negative, can I get the same value that is there in the other two brackets? How? Yes, we can get that. I will take minus 1 as common, and you will see minus 1 if you take common, and if you check, you divide 2c by minus 1, what will you get? Minus 2c. If you divide minus a by minus 1, what do you get? Minus minus cancel, plus a. So what you will write this as? A minus 2c or not? Yes, minus 1 is common, so the signs of the bracket in the terms inside the bracket will also change. So this will become a minus 2c, right? This much part isn't required anymore, right? So that's why you have now a simple question, and very easy. You can take a minus 2c as common. You are left with a plus b minus 1. Here a minus 2c went away, so you are left with minus 1. So basically you have to take the minus sign outside the bracket here also, and when you will do that, the signs of the numbers inside the bracket will change, right? 2c became minus 2c, minus a became plus a, so it matched with all the other brackets, and we have taken that common. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.